Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we will understand transitive relation. So guys, a relation R on set A is said to be a transitive relation if A related to B and B related to C implies A is also related to C, where A, B, C all belong to A. That is, if A is related to B, B is related to C, then this implies A should also be related to C. Like for example, the relation is greater than is a transitive relation because if we know that A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then this implies that A should also be greater than C. Such a relation is called as a transitive relation. Like for an example, if I take the set A, which is elements 1, 4, 3 and 2, alright, and I use the relation R which is greater than on A, then you can say that 2 comma 1 will be a part of it because 2 is greater than A. Then similarly 3 comma 2 will be a part of it because it is greater than A, and 4 comma 2 will be a part of it, 4 comma 3 will be a part of it, 4 comma 1 will be a part of it, 3 comma 1 will be a part of it. So this is a relation greater than, but we can see that this is transitive also. Why? We can see that since 4 is greater than 2, which is mentioned here, and 2 is greater than 1, alright, so 4 greater than 1 is already implied, and this is also the part of a part of relation A. So relation where A comma B, B comma C and A comma C, all of them are there, such a relation is called as transitive relation. Like here A comma B will be 4 comma 2, and similarly if we see here 2 comma 1 is also a part of it. This is B and C. So you can see that 4 greater than 1 is also there. That is, A greater than C is already implied, or is called as transitive relation. Similarly, if we see here, since 4 is greater than 3 and 3 is greater than 2, so 4 greater than 2 is also a part of it. Like here you can see that if I mark this as a new A comma B, then this is A comma B, this is B comma C. So you can see that A comma C is also there. That is, if 4 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 2, then 4 greater than 2 is also a part of this relation. So such a relation is called as a transitive relation. Alright guys, A related to B and B related to C automatically implies that A should be related to C as well. Greater than is an example of transitive relation. Similarly, another example for the transitive relation will be the relation is parallel to. So let L be the set of all the straight lines on a plane, then the relation is parallel to on L is a transitive relation. Why? Because if L1 is parallel to L2 and L2 is parallel to L3, then it automatically implies that L1 should also be parallel to L3. So here what we are doing, L1 is related to L2 and L2 is related to L3. If this is true, then this will automatically imply that L1 will also be related to L3. Such a relation is called as transitive relation. Alright guys, make sense? Okay.